It's great. It's like my favorite. And this is really good too.
Let me go with this, the apple.
Okay. Do you want it heated or just the way it is?
Heat it slightly, just
Okay.
to make sure it's not chilled. Did you order one? Huh? Big spender.
See, when I'm there in Richmond, I don't care if I'm looking at my they had heard of her or something, and we tried to type in TV over there, and the whole thing just sat there and looked at the system. So she came in and told me which one I did. Who went in?
Got it out and ready. Good.
You're out in the wind, can you tell? It's a pretty bug.
Okay.
The little Caesar dressing, they don't put anchovies. Little Caesar salad, they don't put anchovies.
Yep, it's in the dressing. After finally decided, I know.
That's
You
gonna
can
get
like
lost.
mixed greens. Oh yeah, you can do the lobster and blue cheese.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Well, she's deciding on like the mussels.
Okay.
Then I want a bowl of crab.
Okay. I do. Because I don't like anchovies either, and I had to see. I love Caesar salad, and when I had the salad here, it tasted like anchovies. I mean, I don't want to like make it hard for you, but. It's cold, and it's like just a tuna steak that's just smoked and served cold on like a plate with like a sauce. Well, I think yeah, it's cooked. It's just cold. It's almost like a prime rib. That'd be, you know how like prime rib isn't fully cooked, but it's sort of cooked. That's good. And I'll bring you some bread and stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
You know how it's fully cooked. It's sort of cooked.
Go ahead and sign it, Renee. You can take care of that.
Sinking, right? Must be absorbed by the
Go ahead. Do you sign it Renee the Great or the Queen of Edenwood? Or this is my go-to-you-know-where signature. This is my signature.
Here we are in Chinatown. We're just in traffic here.
This whole area here is being affected. We're at Central Police Station. This is an exciting place to be.
Man, I tell you, probably see every sight in the world here.
Got parked in a random fashion. I hit a one-way street going to the right.
Let it go along. You have a Walgreens, and then you have the Chain Fat Hotel, and Mimi Bakery. And smell my bread on my breath. A Vietnamese restaurant. Kimchi. Sun. No, Lung Thing Market.
Bank of the Orient.
The hotel would be a problem. Red light, red light, red light. We ran. I've got that on film too. You can't deny it. You ran that light.
Washington, are we going wrong direction?
You did, I tell you.
One street says Chinatown. That's the road I want to go down, but I can't figure out where it's at.
Holy cheeks. Got more Chico kiddos and balloons. Little Chicos everywhere. These are not Chicos right here, these are tourists. Okay, but
Yeah, this should be getting down.
this is after we ran over some chinks.
And they're running after us.
Beating on the car with their purse.
In the background, you see one of the bridges.
Yeah, that's the San Francisco to Oakland Bay Bridge.
Where you talking about a tiny street? Look down that street right there. We want to
There's an alley here. Oh, come on, you losing your nerve on me? What's the deal?
really.
This man's been wild in the car, I want you to know.
I don't know what street.
Green light.
We take our time going through here.
We're trying so hard not to run over the chinks. How much, how many, films do we bring?
We got more, we got 2 more.
We haven't even filled that one.
Yeah, I think the thing flips over and starts again.
Oh no, don't tell me that. That would be awful. Chinatown TV, Sony and Sansui. Right.
There's a major parking garage. You want
No.
that answers that question. Here's this that's a Holiday Inn that points way up the sky.
Oh, okay. Crowd control tank here on the right. This looks like combat duty stuff, and it's a street maintenance kind of vehicle. Major tanks here. I wanted to go to a play. I wanted to go this one right here. Love's Miserable. Just refused to go to a play tonight.
No, that tall building was not stand to be corrected, though. Of course, I couldn't see how things go up.
Live to give on the real one, like Wall Street, New York kind of stuff.
It really does. Here we have our room, a little San Francisco chalet. Here's the little mermaid. It's the 3rd of August. Go down this way. Here we have out our scenic window. Buses have an extra decor paint on them. Living outside of your love is like not ever living our existence. Last couple steps, try to attack me.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's right this way. Live it outside. Oh, that's pretty. Living outside your love. Oh, the pretty flowers.
You want to eat this kind of meal? Is that what you want?
And now I'm going to use it. So this one.
Any day now.